Another one today.
Yeah, another one. That another one, and I see the next one. We see
Open the install. We go see and me our viewer see and say, una see the installer.
See the install this one the go so. Watching have this in a day so. Watching have this in a day. The mirror, I see.
So what this your boy they do like the way they shoot them?
Now this you want put for here so that's so calm.
Okay, so calm.
You want put for here when you don't try everything finish. For those old don't care for the whole day. The shower, this is the hand shower. The hand shower now into this.
My people, una good morning, or good afternoon, una good evening. Today na 16 January 2023. Oga Plumber, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Me want to talk to you. So my name is Abonye. What about your name?
My name is Mr. Adeleke Plumber.
Adeleke Plumber. What are they? I come monitor installation of plumbing fittings. We one of our viewers from the talk show will give you. Now come monitor for today. You will take me around the work, whether you don't finish or you sit there on it. So before you take me around the work, Mr. Adeleke, what you go tell our viewers when they patronize you through this hour shining?
We thank everybody for our channel. Where they give us work, where they always watch our channel. Thank everybody. God will bless everybody for the channel.
So our viewer, before you give any of our client, well, you got to call our number there on top of this video. So Oga Plumber, you will show our viewers the work when you do for this house.
Okay, one bedroom there this side. This is for this side. That's a golden diamond for the medium one. This one, so. This one is for tissue hanger. When you put your tissue from here like this, you close down. From here they come out the tissue. Where this one is for the bonbon wash. You press some for here like this, water will come out and wash your bonbon. One is for the angle valve. One is for angle valve when they control toilet and the bonbon wash. This one is for hanger, where you go hang your towel. From hang your towel, go hang here. So this one is for soup. One put soap. You put soap for this one. And for the shower. Ordinary cool, now it is this one so cool. This one for the towel for the under. And this one different. When this one is for washing baby, when with this toilet, they come together. One and one for washing hand business. See the tap now, this cup. Everything about this side now, both the glass, both the cup, and this hanger. It come with shirt. Na set.
Okay. Na set. They take
maybe you want brush now. If you carry this cup now, take water. You will use for this thing. And the two cups. Now the mirror. One look yourself. How you look. Now this mirror. This one they arrange something. Pull clean, pull brush, make clean. This one for this one so. And so,
so yeah, finish have it?
Yes.
Me take we go the other side. We'll they take them one by one.
Another one did this. Okay. This door they not open, maybe later. This is now dining. Cabinet dining, maybe this one too. Dining. So if you eat, finish, or you will do anything for parlor everything. If you wash your hand for you, open the trap. You put something like that. You keep something for you. So, connect them for the under like that. where the wastewater will go. And the mirror with this, if you eat finish, if you want to look yourself, whether 30 day of it or this one, if you put something, find something for this one. This is mirror that has 3 steps. See one step, see one step, this one has 3 steps. See the first one, second one, third one, maybe this one. So
that one, now for Danny, that one there.
yeah, now for Danny, it did. That room there this side. I'll start for the washing basin for this side too. The washing basin like this. Yeah, the toilets they come together. This one, the towel and with hand key. So I will take the clean hand, one clean hand. If you put towel for you, see the top of the washing basin. See the mirror. One look yourself. Now the mirror like this one. I see 3 steps. This one is for cup. If you want brush now, you want use cup, take water. You can take water for here. So everything. Why this one a soap can? This one a soap can. If you push your soap for here, so the bar they go. This is a shower. This one a hot and cool. And a beamy shower. Go down back. And this one a for hand shower. Where this one be? When the shower for the up, it's normal. This one. So now here the regulator. The regulator for here. One put on for cold, you put on one put on for hot. You see, get another tap for the under for this. And the water heater now with this one so. Water heater. Here are cold. So from here, water from here enter inside the water heater. You come from the other side, the charge come out. This one is for tissue hanger. If you know want use water to clean your hands, if you put tissue for you want your tissue. It is of this thing. And the bonbon wash with this one. Say now water you want use. You press this one, give you water, or wash your bonbon. This one is towel hanger. Hang towel. One towel for this size.
Okay, now I saw it here for two.
Yeah,
for another one still there.
Yeah, another one still there.
Okay.
See, that's what the washing hand basin for this side. So the washing hand basin will be this one. Here and the toilet is come together. And the tap is this. This is the mirror. This is the same mirror when you see the other side, 3 step. Then this one, see big. You want to take water, they wash mat or your brush. You carry this cup, they wash. Come to the shower. The shower and then this one. So I should be for the other side and I should be for here. So this one get a shower. See the normal shower for the up with this one. So now here they regulator. From time for cold, you go put on. From time for hot, you go put on. Still get tap for the under for the tap for the under. This one is for soap. This one is for soap. That first one we will first show that one is plastic accessory. This one is stainless. Then make this one come get glass like this. You see that one is just rubber.
Plastic.
And the water heater is in the upstairs. So. See the connection for here. This one is cold, this one is hot. Water from here, enter the heater from here, the charge come out. Come the come out, hot water come the come out from inside the tap. And the bonbon wash now with this one so. The bonbon wash and the angle valve when you connect the two together. Maybe that one. Sit toilet. So touch flush, go there and touch flush. And the tissue hanger now be this one so. If you want to hang your tissue, for this side. This one is for towel hanger. One for two and anger. If you want bath now, if you take two and for you, if you bath in it, you go put them down.
Okay, as you first talk, you say this one at the toilet when you talk. That one for the tissue.
Yeah, that, this exactly
For the tissue.
Yeah.
This one for
bum wash.
Okay.
When this one for two anki, until they clean and if you pull your anki for you, so when they do something for you now, you wash your hand finish, you will take anki for you, they clean your hand.
Another one today.
Yeah, another one. That another one, and I see the next one.
Okay, the install. We go see and me our viewer see and say, una see the installer.
See the install this one, the go so. Watching everything I did so. Watching everything I did. The mirror, I see it.
So what this your boy they do like the way they shoot them?
Now this they want put for you, so that's so calm.
Okay, so calm.
Then you want put for you. When you don't tie everything finish, for those old you don't care for the whole day. The shower, this is the hand shower. The hand shower now into this. The tap now hot and cold. You get another tap for ground. In case this one like one, take water for pocket. You don't want to use this one. You see touch this one. We all open and water they come out. For this. So that's one.
This one is different from the one we refer to see just now.
This one now here the master bedroom. That's why we can't be saying a year we want to do last. And here be master bedroom. This toilet is big past others one. The bumble wash here. The bumble wash now in this one. So the tissue and that. Maybe this one. Like here, that one.
They want to see men put.
Like there, we go lay this one put. Like the water heater. Maybe this one. The water heater, maybe this one. The water heater, maybe this one about cold. This one about hot. So let's see. You can still get your own phone.
Okay. Another one today.
It depends one for outside for this one.
I want to enter the kid there with you.
The kid there, that place, the kid there. We tried to open it this morning before, I don't know why it's not open.
So my people, I don't come back, we don't see the key, we enter the last apartment. Okay, Oga plumber, oh yeah.
At the WC for this side now, this one too. Now this WC now is small part for this one. I see golden diamond, and this is a small one. There. Let's do this one for bumble wash. Bumble wash. This one at the basin, at the washing basin, and maybe this one so.
Okay, this washing basin they come with this.
They come with this of WC.
Okay.
Yeah, now shower they put for there so. Just shower, maybe the person won't bath for them. We'll put the pool and put.
Okay, now put up for today.
We'll put everything for today. We'll put tap for this one too.
Okay, now you be everything for.
Now everything for this.
So my people, now the last place be this for the house. So Oga plumber, fittings, toilet fittings we enter here. Now how much? How much of toilet fittings we enter here?
I don't know how much they buy them because not be me buy the fittings. They buy them, they just send me the address. We see my go carry them. I don't know how much the person spray.
Okay, now do you now go buy and you can send the address me go carry. So how much for the labor we say install?
My neighbor want to install and 110.
Okay, 110. In case of other of you come across this work through our channel, you install it for them. You send that price.
Yes, I will install it for them with that price.
Or you could call your number with the 50 ratio.
Number is 070 63 23 8993.
Come again.
070 63 23 8993.
And your WhatsApp number be that.
Yes.
Another number I see them with the 50 ratio.
Yes.
I could Russia.
070 89 81 63 85.
And people, I grace them for time until they watch this video.